MBT Footwear has transformed my life. And I know that might sound like a sweeping statement, but let me just explain why. So in 2020, I badly fractured my ankle. And such was the damage that I ended up having to have a ankle fusion last year, May 2024. With the ankle fusion, as you might imagine, I lose an awful lot of mobility in my ankle. And that makes the walking mechanism very, very difficult. I was lucky enough to find another video by the ankle fusion guy that extolled the virtues of MBT Footwear. And I am so glad I found that video. And it's the reason why I'm making the video today, in that I'm hoping in turn I can spread the word for people with similar conditions as myself. I first ordered this pair of shoes. And as you can see, with the rocking sole system, it allows me to move quite seamlessly. Not perfect, but my word, it's made such a difference. And not only has it made a difference in everyday walking, but it really did help me to recover quickly and far better than I ever hoped. It's not just the shoes that MBT have helped me with. The customer care was phenomenal, and it was what led me to do this video. I contacted them, explained the problem I'd got with my ankle, and they very kindly got me to draw around my foot, show them the dimensions, and then I had an email back telling me which shoes would fit me best. Because of this surgery and the injury, my right foot is not the same shape as my left, and it's compromising the sizing. And they were able to recommend the right size shoes to suit me. And the words that really got to me were, "Mr. Roberts, we will keep sending you shoes till you've got the right pair." Well, luckily, I got the right pair straight away. And since that time, well, I've added to the portfolio. These have really been my saving grace. These are the shoes or the sneakers that I wear most of all. I wear them on a daily basis. They're my go-to shoe. They're nice and light. But even though they're light, because of the system of the sole, I get exactly the same performance as any of the other shoes. Having had the sneakers, I then moved to these boots. Now, these are so comfortable. It's an issue with my ankle that it tends to swell as the day goes on, so I have to use those in limitations. I cannot thank MBT enough for the support they've given me, for allowing me to walk as well as they do, and I will always be grateful for finding them. And if ever I can help with answering questions, I'd always be glad to do so. MBT heard about me doing a sponsored walk in aid of the air ambulance. The air ambulance service came to my accident, and because of MBT shoes, I wanted to try and walk the distance that the air ambulance came to me. And MBT heard about it, and they sent me these pair of shoes. And they were fantastic. I never believed when I first had my ankle fusion that I'd be walking more than a few hundred yards, and yet I managed several miles in those. And that's all because I was wearing MBT shoes. And I'll continue to wear them. Thank you so much, MBT. You really have transformed my life.